Welcome everybody, it's been a while now. So yeah, it's 2021 and how other way to start this year than to show you guys some free awesome fonts, right? Because you guys told me in my past videos that you want more fonts. So yeah guys, if you like this video, if you like the font series, don't forget to hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because most of you guys haven't done that yet. Most of you guys that are watching are not subscribers, and by subscribing you will help me like a lot. Yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump right in. The first font that I'm gonna talk about, it's called Concretica. It is a free font. All the links that all the font links will be in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out after watching this video. This is like a really futuristic font, really minimalist and futuristic, that you can use in all sorts of designs. As you can see guys, it's like really simple and really nice to use in your designs to make them pop. It's awesome. I really like it. I've downloaded it and played with it in some poster designs, like all the designs that you can achieve, all the text like shenanigans that you can do with it, they're like awesome, and I really recommend that you should download and try it. You can do all sorts of designs like magazine designs, poster designs. Who knows, the possibilities are like endless. You can incorporate this font in all sorts of things and they will look like really awesome, really cool, really clean. It's awesome. So as you can see guys, I'm showing you basically a slideshow with this font in use, and basically giving you some ideas that you can like maybe get inspired and design your own things using this font. It's really awesome. It's a really cool font. So don't forget to check out the description. Okay guys, the next font is called Mac. It's light and bold, free for personal and commercial use, and it's in Latin and Cyrillic as well. It's like a really nice font, like really interesting designs that you can play with it. Maybe you can do some poster designs. It's like a really clean cut. As you can see right here, some examples in Cyrillic and Latin, some examples of lower cases and upper cases, some numbers. Here are like some examples of what you can do, maybe some album artworks, music. This is a really cool font, really cool cuts on the letters. As you can see, the strokes are like light and bold. They're like really nice. I really like this one. And yeah, it's free to download. You can check the link in the description of this video and download it and play with it. Okay guys, this one is the one that you are waiting for, that you are all been waiting for. Acer Graphics fonts KYLTYRE, I guess, a free display typeface. It's like really nice, really futuristic, really cyberpunk. It's nice. The examples that the designer used in this project are not that cyberpunk, but trust me that you can do some really awesome cyberpunk designs, really awesome futuristic designs with this font. A display typeface that you can also stretch and it will look like really dope. You can also use it in like maybe print design, like t-shirt design. Maybe you can start your own t-shirt brand, and this font on the front as a logo or maybe as a message, maybe some tote bags, some stickers. I recommend that you should check it out, download it and play with it. Moving forward, the next one and the last one, it's CRENZO. It's a free font as well, and this is like really nice for poster designs, like really bold and expanded letters that you can use in creating some awesome posters, or maybe glitch art, maybe typography design, who knows. Yeah, it's a free font and it's created by Zia Fonts. Link will be in the description guys, be sure to check it out. Also like this video if you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel maybe, and take the notification bell, because this is the end of this video guys. Hope you enjoy it, and until the next one, stay safe, wear a mask and create more. Bye bye.